what's up everybody? Anthony with Jhuly's Aquatics and Gardening, and it's time for our channel's first ever giveaway, and I am super excited. So, I started the channel back in November of last year, and I started YouTube as a creative outlet. I wanted some place to, express my passions for what started off with only fish and then has evolved into cooking and gardening and other types of interests and passions that I have. We have finally crossed the 100 subscriber mark, and to me that is a major milestone. Never expected it to do this well, and I'm seeing growth every day, and I just want to keep going. So for all the love and support that you guys have given me over the last couple of months in subscribing, watching, liking, and sharing, I want to give back a $50 Visa gift card to one lucky winner who is watching this video.
What?
And it's just a couple of quick, simple, super easy steps to follow in order to get entered into the giveaway. So number one, you have to be subscribed to the channel. So if you're not subscribed already, go ahead and click that subscription button. Make sure your post notifications are turned on, so that way you can be eligible for the giveaway. If you're not subscribed, unfortunately, you won't be able to be entered into the giveaway. So after you've subscribed to the channel, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Let me know how your day's going. Let me know something that you learned from the channel, something that you love about the channel, an idea that you'd like to see me do, a project you want to see me work on, whatever it might be. Let me know that down below in the comment section, because I'm going to be pulling a winner from the YouTube comment section once I see that all the other steps have been completed. After that, share this video to either Facebook or Instagram and make sure that I'm tagged in your post. So you want to make sure that you're following me on Facebook and on Instagram, and I have the links in the description box below. Then you want to head over to Instagram and look for the giveaway posting that I have on my Instagram page. You want to share that to your stories and also tag 5 of your friends in the comments below that post, and make sure that, you get the word out there. Let's grow the community, let's grow the channel, and see where else we can get. Lastly, let's get this video to 50 likes. And let's say 1 like per dollar. And I think we can do it. So again, if you want to be entered into the giveaway, it's just a couple of quick, super simple steps. And I'll make sure that I have all of the steps listed below in the description box, so that way everyone has a fair chance of entering. Again, subscribe to the channel with that post notification bell on. Comment below this video. Let me know something that you love about the channel, or an idea or a suggestion that you have. Make sure that you're following me on Facebook and on Instagram. Head over to Instagram, find the giveaway posting, share it to your stories, tag 5 friends in the comment section below that post on Instagram. And the more times you share it to Instagram, the more times you share it to Facebook, is the more times you get entered into the giveaway. So you can do it daily. The more entries that you have, the greater your chances are of winning. I'm super excited about the giveaway, guys. I'll be announcing the winner in 2 weeks. So again, head over to Instagram, head over to Facebook, make sure that you're following me on all my platforms, follow the steps in the description box for the giveaway, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Good luck, take care, and remember, in all things, give thanks. See you in the next one, guys.